Yeah, new Targa 40. Yeah.
Great.
Brilliant. So this is the new Fairline Targa 40.
On the corners, or it's still like the chair.
908,000. Beautiful. Look at that.
Finish my demonstration.
Yeah. What, this one?
Yeah.
Really?
You're not going to put. We don't like that. Something's wrong with that. Look.
Well then, I need a fro like this. These frows are lovely. I actually like that wood actually.
Yeah, any high gloss wood's great. I love it. Ensuite, that's a good size cabin, isn't it? This is only a 40-foot boat. Wonderful. What's she doing?
Taking a selfie.
Ah, there you go.
It's got a wardrobe.
I love that one. It's nice.
Lovely seating area.
It's alright, isn't it?
Thank you. Bring them back later.
Lovely. Soft close.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
This detailing. Here we go, sorry. So aft cabin. So walk in. So two berths.
Two berths.
Joined together to make one.
Sock sofa. The sock sofa.
Sock sofa. Wonderful. And then the galley, which is in the same room. 3 honks, there's something reversing.
I like that. The chopping board on this.
Into there. Brilliant.
Do anything. Don't show off.
Yeah.
High gloss tape. Paul comes with the boat for the first 3 months. They want to buy it. Don't put them on.
I love it.
There she is.